In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or detach a component in Figma. By the end, you'll understand what detaching an instance actually does, when it's useful, and how to do it confidently without breaking your design. Start by heading into Figma and opening a design file or creating a new one. You just need a canvas to work on. With your file open, add an image to the canvas. You can use any image you have handy. The goal is simply to have a visible element we can turn into a component and then detach. Before we detach anything, let's add a component first. Select the image and convert it into a component so it becomes a reusable source element. In Figma, a component is your master, and anything you place from it is an instance. Instances stay linked to that master, which is great for consistency. Detaching breaks that link, which is helpful when you want a one-off variation that shouldn't update with the rest of the design. Now duplicate the image on the canvas so you have two copies to look at side by side. One can remain as a normal instance connected to the main component, and the other will be the one we detach. This makes it clear what changes are still synced and what's independent after detaching. Select the instance you want to detach and look for the three-dot menu in the right-hand panel where the instance information appears. This menu is tied to the selected element, so make sure the instance is selected on the canvas first. If you don't see the menu, reselect the instance or check that you're not on the main component by mistake. Click the three dots, then choose Detach Instance. The moment you do this, the selected object is no longer linked to the main component. It becomes a regular layer or group you can edit freely. From now on, changes to the master component will not affect this detached element, and edits you make to this element will not flow back to the component. That's the core idea of detaching: total independence for one-off customizations. With the demonstration complete, you can delete the other image if you no longer need it. This keeps your canvas tidy and avoids confusion between attached and detached elements. A quick tip: detaching is powerful, but use it intentionally. If you only need a different variant or property, consider adjusting the instance's settings first. Detach when you truly need a unique element that won't stay in sync. And remember, you can always undo immediately if you detach by mistake.